Chuta Chimezie is an advisory board member at Kinesis Money, the founder and coordinator of Blockchain Nigeria User Group and Pro-Tem Chairman, Organization of Blockchain Technology User, OBTU. He is the Vice Chairman of Blockchain Industry Coordinating Committee of Nigeria. He is the African Lead of Technology and Innovation at Blockspace Africa Technologies. He has authored a series of books such as Seizing Opportunities in Blockchain and Digital Currency Revolution, a handbook for enthusiasts, DeFi Handbook, and the building blocks of blockchain startup entrepreneurs. Chuta is a regular speaker at various blockchain, cryptocurrency, and technology conferences, both local and internationally. As a certified technology innovation expert, Chuta has played a key role in organizing Nigeria's biggest blockchain and cryptocurrency events in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt for 3 consecutive years.
We are starting right away, and I know that you attended this event because you are eager to find out the opportunities that this technology offers you. And that's exactly what I'll be sharing with you this morning. I have a slide, but I'm going to run to the slide. If you can project. Okay. All right. So I'll be speaking to you on careers in blockchain technology. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand that we are talking about technology here. And technology everywhere in the world is an instrument and a tool for building and solving problems. So it's an enabler. So someone can come into a place and see problems, and you find out that this problem can be solved with technology. Then you can use or choose the kind of technology that you think will help you solve that problem. So blockchain technology on its own has a unique type of ingredient that enables it to solve problems that exist wherever humans live. Now, most people think that it's oil that is the most valuable commodity in the world today, but it's not. Actually, data is the new oil. And, if you consider all the resources that Africa has and still are poor, then you'll find out that there's something wrong somewhere. But when you apply this blockchain technology and galvanize all the resources that we have in a transparent environment, you see that indeed Africa is not poor. Rather, it's mismanagement that has put us where we are today. So blockchain technology has the potential of lifting Africans out of poverty. If you're here, I want to tell you something. You can make a choice today to utilize this technology, like most of us have done, to lift ourselves out of the sinking flow of poverty that is, keeping most Africans under. Because no technology has given us the opportunity to create wealth from the local environment where we are, while earning at par with people that live elsewhere in the world. Today you can be working in the blockchain technology industry and you are earning $5,000, $10,000 per month. And no one stops you from doing that. So it's a huge opportunity that is open for us. Okay, so I want to say that young people, you should resist that urge and that pressure that the economy of your local countries and local environment is putting on you to be a beast of burden. There are very little opportunities today for young people who want to either get a job or launch a product or business within Nigeria. Because our fathers, our great-grandfathers, they've mismanaged everything. They have destroyed practically everything that could have been useful for us to build a future. And they want you to become a beast of burden. You have to resist that. It is not your portion. It is not your portion. Can someone say that it is not my portion? Say, I will not be a beast of burden. Yes, you can be a beast of burden. Okay, so we don't have infrastructures. Our systems have collapsed. They don't work. Blockchain gives you the opportunity to rebuild new products, new services, new kinds of businesses. Because lack of infrastructure is now an opportunity. So when you look at how things are not working well in Nigeria, you are looking at opportunity. And blockchain technology will enable you to accomplish that. So blockchain tech has the potential to change every industry in the world. So it doesn't matter what industry you want to look at, whether it's transportation, whether in medicals, whether in aviation, whether in logistics. This technology can produce new opportunities for you. So it depends on you. Maybe you're a musician, maybe you're a singer, maybe you are an instrumentalist. It doesn't matter. Maybe you're even a comedian. This technology has the potential to transform your world for you. Okay, so African youths must embrace blockchain and crypto asset technology as a matter of necessity. Because this is the only technology so far that can allow you to, transfer values across borders without any kind of restriction. Any restriction that you think exists is just ephemeral. It's not real because there is always a way that you can get past all those things. So, you should be able to create the kind of life that you want for yourself. I have seen a whole lot of people in the last 5-6 years that have been in the industry actively. I've seen people earning far beyond what an average Nigerian will earn. I think most people who work in blockchain industry earn better than 95% of people in Nigeria who are working and earning. I'm not talking about people who are, probably stealing money from government purse or inflating contracts. Salary-wise. It's easy to pick up a job in blockchain industry that pays you ₦1 million per month, 1.5, 2 million, 3 million. When you convert the dollars, which banks or oil company pays people that much? How many people earn 1 million naira, 2 million naira, 3 million naira, 5 million naira per month in salary? So, a lot of people always keep asking, must I be a blockchain developer to be able to have a career in blockchain industry? The answer is absolutely no. Blockchain developers account for just 15% of the skill sets that are needed in the blockchain industry. I will show you many other skills that are required, which you'll be surprised that many of you are already qualified, or at least you are on the pathway to get into those skill levels. What you just need basically is eagerness to learn. You need to have very good understanding of what blockchain technology is, and also a very good understanding of what cryptocurrency technology is, because it is technology. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people think, okay, give me a signal so that I know the coin to buy that can do 10x in the next 24 hours or in the next 2 days. This thing is technology. If you don't understand the underlying technology, you are just playing kalo with your money. Okay, so it won't be surprising when you find out that it didn't go that way. So we ran a report recently, and we tried to aggregate how many people who are interested in learning blockchain development. Some of this data shows that a lot of Nigerians are interested in becoming blockchain developers. And basically, to start your journey, You just need to have the basics of the web technology, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's where the journey begins for everyone who wants to be a blockchain developer. From there, you can now decide, we'll soon find out on the direction that you should go. So once you are done with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you now find out, do I want to be a front-end developer or a back-end developer? If technicals is what you're interested in. Of course, the industry is huge and is growing, and money is being pumped in from different directions. Investors are investing in projects, they're investing in capacity development of human beings, and it's yours to take. The global blockchain market size is expected to grow from $3 billion in 2020 to $39.7 billion in 2025. Okay, look at the annual rate of growth, 67.3%. I don't think there's any industry that has that kind of statistics. So, go where the money is going. That's the secret. If the money is going to blockchain, find your way in that direction. Who are the people hiring? Governments, industries, startups, technology firms, and even legacy organizations. There are banks that have blockchain development units. They are hiring people. Governments are hiring people to help them understand and build solutions. Different kinds of organizations are hiring. So let's look at some of those skills which exist currently that are very hot. You have blockchain developer. These are the people that build the decentralized applications that me and you use to transfer assets on the blockchain. You have the solution architect. These are people who help to design how a blockchain solution should work for startups and businesses. You have blockchain product managers. Finally, when the product is launched, somebody has to manage it. You have the UX design, those who design how the interface of the project or the product will look like. Please pay attention and let's have less distraction. So you have the blockchain quality engineer. These people check to make sure that everything is as planned. Then you have the legal consultants. Maybe you're a lawyer. It's time to start taking a look at blockchain technology. There's forensic expert. When people move funds on the blockchain technology platforms, there are people who can perform forensic analysis to tell you where that money moved from one place to other and help in recovering of funds. Most of them work with security agencies and investigation agencies. So which other non-technical roles exist and are in demand? You have accountants, we have public relations experts, we have retail marketers, we have crypto job analysts, we have data analysts, we have crypto asset consultants, and cryptocurrency traders. We have 3D artists, animators, legal practitioners, writers, compliance officers, forensic experts, auditors, and accountants. We have storytellers. You know, this is an emerging industry. Some of you are very good at cooking up stories. You know, you can, fabricate stories, maybe true or false. You have this talent to like cook up stories. Opportunity exists for you in the metaverse economy. You have 3D designers who use Blender or Unity or Unreal Engine. You have VR art creators and so on and so forth. I'm going to make sure that you guys get this slide. And if you registered for the event, I'm sure that they will forward the slides to you. Then, how much money do people who work in blockchain industry earn? Basically, senior developers, those who have worked in projects and have probably like 3 to 5 years and above, they earn as much as $175,000 per annum. I mean, if you finish training yourself today and you can even work with someone and do one of the few things that they will ask you to do, you can easily earn $60,000 a year. And if you are already in the business of helping to build solutions, 75 to 120K is an easy take if you can prove yourself. So how can you get your share of this? It's very easy. Get trained, get satisfied, get yourself abreast of the development in the industry, love blockchain technology, join blockchain Nigeria, blockchain communities like BNUG. Now, I want to show you something that happened I think some months ago. Okay, I had a project and I needed to have someone do it. So I went to a site called GitHub, and I entered this issue. And when I got to Gitcoin, where I was going to pay for someone, the person accepted to do the job for me for 12.76 Ethereum. As at that time, Ethereum was valued, this amount was just about 17,000. Okay, sorry. As at that time, the project itself was $6,000 worth of Ethereum that he accepted. And it was approximately around $520 per ETH. By the time we were paying him for the job 2 months later, the money had become $17,202. If you check the price of Ethereum today at $1,700, and you do this calculation here, you know that the money is so much valuable. In other words, he started out trying to earn $6,000 and ended up earning $17,000 within 2 months period. Okay, so I'm trying to round up right now. So you need to ask yourself, where do I want to start from? So if you are the technical guy, here is where you're supposed to foot. You start from here. There is a free website called SoloLearn. Anyone can go there and create an account and begin to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then if you front end is what you want to do, you all right. So if your desire is to be a front-end designer, then you have to progress your journey by learning Node.js, React, JavaScript, and Docker. Of course, if you want to build the infrastructure of blockchain itself, that's back-end development, then you need experiences in Python, C#, C++, Rust, TypeScript, Java, and so on. If you want to specialize in smart contract development, then Solidity, Golang, and C++ is the way to go. All right, so here are a few job sites that are available. When you get the slides, you can easily run to those places. And thank you.